The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Can you speak Jamaican?
I'm still learning it. I can always translate for you. Just let me know.
Okay, Google. What does bumberclot mean?
According to dictionary.com, bumberclot is Jamaican slang equivalent to douchebag or often used as an interjection to express disgust or dismay.
Okay. Okay, Google. What does rascalot mean?
According to Quora, rasclat is a deeply offensive and derogatory term used in Jamaican English. Literally, arse-cloth, i.e. a sanitary towel, it is synonymous with the equally negative blood clot.
Okay. Okay, Google. What does soon come mean?
According to 2 years Pondi Rock, WordPress.com, it means, it will come, and that could literally mean soon, eventually, next week, soon enough, or it might mean that enough time will pass such that you'll forget you were waiting for something.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Seriousskilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I'm going to leave that video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, I just presented a video to you, and in that video you could hear someone asking Google what is the meaning of some words that are considered to be Jamaican language. Let me repeat. In the video, you could hear someone asking Google what is the meaning of some words that are considered to be from the Jamaican language. Now, for some reason, this video is out on social media. It's being talked about, you see me? And viewers and subscribers, a lot of persons in the world find Jamaican language interesting, Yeah. A lot of persons out there find Jamaican patois interesting. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media and it's being talked about. You see me? And I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. And you can also tell me what you think. You see what I'm saying to you? And I hope that you, my viewers and subscribers, learn something good and positive from this video. Alright? Well, anyways, I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, over the years, I have heard persons disrespect and discriminate persons who are said to be strippers or exotic dancers. You understand me? Now, the video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a female, and she said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that she's saying that she is a stripper and she's defending the occupation of being a stripper. Alright? Or you could say that she's defending the profession. This female went on to talk about other things as well. And in my point of view, this female seems to be a Jamaican. And some of the things that she had said, it gave me the understanding that she's responding to the negative things that have been said about strippers by persons out there. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one. You see me? Whether you're a stripper or not, it doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. Me, Seriousskilla, I want to show my big up and respect to each and every one out there. You understand me? Yeah. And just I try to make everyone know so them feel live good and hold their head up. Alright? This video is out on social media. It's being talked about. You see what I'm saying to you? I'm bringing it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look and listen to some of the things that happened in this video, and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Some man when me hear talk down about stripper, I don't want some slap up, box up, fix up, and all of them like something they call. Only not good in a bed, one. Only not flexible, only stiff like a board two. Only this stink, only not wine pan with tree. Some man arm green. By the time the night for done green, all on just walk in and smell molly. On a clothes, chaka. On a ear all over the place, but trust me, when you see a stripper going out during the daytime, even if she have no wig on, trust me, that bitch smell good. She look fucking good. And she is pleasant as fuck. You don't look at her as a stripper. You're like, damn, did I see you in the strip club last night? And you can't talk to that bitch because she's going to the bank to deposit her own motherfucking check. But don't take it from me. Come into the world and understand. And later on, the same one them will talk down as strippers that me see. I want to come to the club to dance. How do I go about doing that? Bitch, go fuck off. Go suck your mother. Why you do it, drunk, bro? Why you do it? Don't come to me. Must see all I know. Don't come to me. If you don't want to start strip, go ask no mother or go look from blood clot, YouTube and fucking Google, because them have everything. Me don't know nothing about stripping. Are the same girl on this? Are the same girl me soon come back and come praise? Go suck on my mother. Anyway, I think I'm overdoing it now. I'm gonna stop giving y'all too much info. TMI. Let me tell you, I'm talented. We're multi-blood clot talented. We can do makeup. We can do hair. We know how to make one a costume. We're flexible. What else? We can count. We know how to make a man. Ooh. We're counselors. Hey, we counsel no found no money now. No found a man come here and left for no blood clot. And me I tell you by the time we done talk to the man come home, treat him nice. Buy on a gift, we tell the man them out for blood clot treats and on a dirty ungrateful blood clot come in a club, come skin up on the face. I don't want her to dance on me. No. You're next. Go suck your mother. Sometimes we want to lick someone, but some want to the man money. They have to just smile and walk it out, trust me.
Because the girl on the too Betsy.
Read your comment. They say up to 30 times.
I hope someone understand what I say.
I hear people they understand. A Jamaican.
Well, send in on a flag. Let me see one where it come from. Because I talk rap patois. Sometimes we speak English, but let me get in my mood. I talk it down to the blood clot.
I like being able to take them off. That's how I like.
One thing I not gonna allow a girl to do, I disrespect me. One thing I not gonna allow a customer to do, I disrespect me. Can you see anyone I don't feel like I don't want this? Me. This a nice blood clot girl, yeah? This nice girl with her bank account up full of blood clot, come on. The way me I got this so no, I couldn't feel like it is nothing. Cause sometimes some amount of money across is and voodoo money. Trust me. Sometimes some amount are real crosses. Sometimes I go to some places with the dirty money and them say come throw it on a stripper. But me is a praying girl. If I make $1 tonight, I say thank you Jesus, bless it, guide it, sanctify it and cover it under your blood and I denounce everything that's not of you from it. Remember me tell you that. No can come in and come farm fool with me, come take no step on me, come diss me, and come feel like I don't want to throw nothing from me. I'm blessed girl. Always. Alright.
Huh?
So
y'all love the internet, huh?
This is our big bad security.
Top out my stomach. I'm still on the diet. How y'all got stuck on those piles of those girls twice?
Huh? You know, sometimes some money is throwing, but you just don't give a fuck. You just be like, you know what? We never put anything in anyone's pocket, so it is what it is. It's okay.
I knew you was going to, but I'm looking at 4.
Bye, guys. Love you. Krishan.
And that's why y'all should tell them.
I'm not good with names.
But we was, but for some reason, I don't know why they kept him before.
These securities get paid really good to protect us. So if y'all bitches coming here and feel like y'all want to do this, we ain't have to do this back because y'all getting this bitch from our security because we pay them motherfucking good. Love you too, baby. Bye, guys. Have a good night.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.